How do I create a FedEx account?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to walk through the process of creating your very own FedEx account. This guide will provide you with a step-by-step walkthrough, so you can easily follow along and have your account set up in no time. With a FedEx account, you'll be able to schedule pickups, track shipments, pay for shipping online, and more. Let's get started.
What do you need to start?
To create a FedEx account, you will need an internet connection and a web browser, your personal or business contact information, payment information.
How to access FedEx website?
1. Open your web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, etc. 2. Type in FedEx in your search engine and click on the official FedEx website. It's important to ensure you're on the legitimate FedEx site for your safety.
Starting the account creation process.
1. Look for the Sign Up or Log In link at the top right corner of the page and click on it. 2. You'll be directed to a new page. Click on the Create Account button.
Filling out your information.
1. Now, you're on the account creation page. You need to enter your contact information. This includes your name, email address, and phone number. 2. Choose a user ID and password. Make sure your password is strong to ensure the security of your account. 3. Fill in your address details. This will be the default location for pickups and deliveries, but can be changed later if needed.
Adding payment information.
1. In this section, enter your credit card details or other payment methods. FedEx supports a variety of payment methods for your convenience. 2. Review your information to ensure everything is accurate.
Finalizing your account setup.
1. Finally, read and accept the terms and conditions, then click on the Complete Registration button. FedEx will then send you an email to confirm your email address. 2. Open the confirmation email and click on the link provided. This will activate your account. And there you have it. You've successfully created your FedEx account. Now, you can start scheduling your shipments, tracking your packages, and more. I hope this guide was helpful. Remember, if you have any issues or questions, FedEx's customer service is always there to help. Happy shipping!